Abusia for enenso attention TV adeachi yenso de na adwuma na eguso ayeye ye ne mo anso na eye adwuma no na ene ye da sori ya de etwagu okran nkwa awieye yo enso foforo asan ba abeka ho Akuapem Polo se yen aye nim ye nua ba Akuapem Polo ne ho asem na meken na nsenye mu nsem ekokọ ba ye nam so Akuapem Polo ye de ne ko shemu kakra ye yi ni ba ye twa abo ma no ene ye hu se na DKB enam o jejeje fund na ka ye de abo ye nua ba Akuapem Polo nanso anope ye da sori ya de akoba ne se Akuapem Polo aba abonten na ne nsam ode aba abonten a wo ka nyina ne se wono so wote ho Akuapem Polo se ye boni de Akuapem Polo pa de a ene no ono Akuapem Polo wonye celebrate bia sika emedi ne ho entini ne etwagu a ye hu ne se ene ye je fund ye nua ba na ne ho aka eja ene celebrate ye nyina ne ye womu obia de aho ane oyawo ne apinisie yenso ye nua ba mu enya no koreda se sika bia aba bedi Akuapem Polo ebotom na sama ene ye nua ba Akuapem Polo.
You all know that I was being in cells, and then from there I went to jail. Since I came back from jail, a lot of people have been calling my business number, telling me that they've given money to some people to give it to me. And after I came back, I couldn't take their numbers to call them to say thank to them. You guys, you know, Polo appreciate any little thing anyone does for her. Not to talk of someone giving me money to support me and my son. I want to say that I signed those called celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person. Since I came back from jail, people have been calling me from UK and US, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me. And then I didn't say thank you, so I'm ungrateful. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. A woman called yesterday, said she's called Aunt Ma Alice. When I was in town doing delivery, when she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me, and I didn't say thank. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me, and she doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him, and I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call. Till now, he has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you, because I really appreciate. Aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys.
Na koso na he attention TV na share o like ya no share no subscribe de atwagu obia de boa ema eda ne yeda wo behunu say yes wada sorry na nega na de ekoso no wonso wanya bi no age attention TV GH de o mu bia ye besan de aba besom mo somfo ma me ampem da ko ani